In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pinterest video using Wave.video templates. First, open your browser and head over to Wave.video. Once the homepage loads, look for the Create option. This is where all new projects begin, and it gives you a straightforward path to build something quickly without feeling overwhelmed. You'll see choices like starting with a blank video, using AI-generated options, or browsing templates. For this walkthrough, we'll go with templates because it's the fastest way to get a professional look with minimal setup. Templates are pre-designed projects with coordinated colors, motion, and text styles, and they're easy to customize so your video still feels uniquely yours. Inside the templates area, locate the social media category. This groups designs by platform, which helps you get the right dimensions and visual style from the start. Select Pinterest video. Pinterest favors vertical, eye-catching visuals, so this option gives you a format that fits perfectly and helps your content stand out in feeds. Now browse the template gallery and choose a design that matches your message and tone. Think about the mood you want to convey: bold and energetic, calm and minimal, or playful and colorful. You can hover to preview motion and text pacing. Pick a template that aligns with your brand or the content you plan to share, whether it's a product showcase, a quick how-to, or a seasonal promotion. Once your template opens, it's time to edit anything to your liking. Click on any text to replace placeholder copy with your own message. Keep your text concise and impactful because Pinterest viewers scan quickly. Adjust fonts and colors to match your branding, and make sure there's enough contrast for readability. Swap in your images or short clips by dragging them into the media placeholders. If your visuals are more portrait or landscape than the template, use the built-in resizing and repositioning tools to keep the focus on the subject. You can fine-tune timing by selecting each scene and adjusting durations so the pacing feels natural. Add or remove scenes to fit your story. Short and punchy often works best. Consider subtle transitions to keep things smooth without distracting from your message. If the template includes music, you can adjust the volume or switch tracks to something that better fits your vibe. Always aim for a cohesive look, consistent colors, repeatable styles, and clear hierarchy in your text. And that's it. Once your edits reflect your vision, you're done. You now have a polished Pinterest video built quickly with Wave.video templates, ready to grab attention and communicate your message clearly.